Hello guys. Martin here. Martin from Spain. I wanted to explain to you about GETON.global website, and I wanted to show you how we can make money here, how we can generate some profit, and I will share a screen. Our business plan is very easy. The first thing you have to know where the company is coming, and the company is registered in Slovenia, that is in European country, and the founder, the CEO, is Milan Koslevkar, and you can see also here all the registration number, all the tax number, all the bank transfers, bank details, and also the branches what the company have. The second thing is I was also traveling last week to the Turkey, and there was company grand launch, and I was also personally meeting the founder, the Milan Koslevkar, and also Alex in marketing side and Alenka in networking side, and it was amazing trip there, and I'm very grateful of the opportunity what Milan have giving us. Then we have also in networking side, Kari Varus, the ambassador, and then Jonas from the GETON global side. And why I choose the company, number one, I know Kari. Kari is a very big superstar of network marketing. Then I meet personally Milan, and it is a very nice guy, very solid, very stable guy, and very nice Google background. Then everyone needs 1% daily income, and in that company we can get it. And compensation plan is very nice. We get totally 45% in 9 level deep commissions. It's 5-5-5 matrix. And if we invite some people, we get also directly commissions 9%. That is also very huge. Then we have also different kind of percent. You can start with 50 euro, and you will receive 0.5% daily. And if you put 10,000 or more, you can get 1.25% daily if you put in a staking program. And I will show you also the back office a little bit. Wait a second. I share my screen again. And here you can also see that how much I personally invested in the program. I have already put account value 109,000 euro, and I have also earned in commissions 26,000 in 1 week time. And then we have 2 different kind of programs. You can buy the GETON coin or front coin. All you can withdraw in weekly. Every Friday is payout. And yeah, here is also company materials. You can share to your people. Here you can see also your personally referred people, statistics, and you can also transfer money to another member. And it's like very amazing platform. And what I can tell you, always be simple. And people like simple, and then the duplication is also coming very fast. Thank you for all. See you in the next Zoom. Ciao.